Hello everyone, welcome to Hanin Diet Tech Tutorials channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a table, sequence, trigger, and insert data in Oracle Database 12c. Let's get started. First, we create a table called Employee. This table contains two columns. The first column is ID, which will be used as the primary key. The second column is Name, which stores the employee's name. After executing the statement, the employee table is successfully created. Next, let's display all tables available in the current schema. This query retrieves all table names owned by the current user. As you can see, the employee table now appears in the list. Now, let's create a sequence. A sequence is an Oracle object used to generate unique numbers automatically. The sequence starts at 1 and increases by 1 each time it is used. Next, we create a trigger for auto-increment functionality. This trigger runs automatically before a new record is inserted into the employee table. If the ID value is not provided, Oracle will automatically generate the next number from the sequence. Now, let's insert our first employee record. The commit statement saves the transaction permanently in the database. Let's verify the data. The result shows that Oracle automatically assigned ID number 1 to Hanin. Next, let's insert another employee. Again, we commit the transaction. Now let's display the data one more time. As you can see, Oracle automatically generated ID number 2 for Robin. This demonstrates how a sequence and trigger work together to create an auto-increment primary key in Oracle database. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Hanin Dia Tech Tutorials channel. See you in the next tutorial.